Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating and verifying your Terabox account. This unlocks your cloud space immediately. Once done, check the free 1 TB allotment and decide if you need a paid plan. Pricing shows monthly options and extra features. Make sure to install the Terabox app on your desktop and phone to enable background uploads and faster transfers. This reduces friction and gives a consistent sync experience. Now link one device and proceed to the upload step to start filling your cloud storage. You upload files via drag and drop or the upload button. Monitor the progress bar to confirm successful transfers. Once items arrive, organize them into folders, rename critical files, and apply tags so you can find things fast later. Next, enable auto-sync so new photos and documents back up automatically. Use selective sync to keep large folders off your local drive when space is limited. By organizing first and syncing selectively, you minimize duplicate uploads and preserve local storage effectively. You can create share links, set expirations, or add passwords to control access. This is ideal for sending large files without email limits. Make sure to use version history and the trash folder to recover overwritten or accidentally deleted files. These features save time and data. Finally, watch the storage meter. If you approach 100%, clean duplicates or large unused files and consider upgrading. If uploads stall, pause and relaunch the app, or toggle selective sync as a quick troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.